Goldie! Oh no! My fish! Someone please help him! Look at the ceiling! Everything is going wrong! Watch out, Nick! It's falling! Whoa! We need to move! Run! Hey! Let go of my bird's tail! Ah! I can't! My chameleon won't listen! Oh my goodness! This is crazy! Wait, I see something else up there. No! He's gonna hit the floor! Please, somebody save him! Go for it! You can do it! Just in time. Look. Wait, what is that? It's a net. He's safe. My friend caught him. I have never seen anything like this before. Is that a spider web? See? I told you guys. That's my pet. He's a hero.
A few days earlier.
Listen up, class. Next week is our Great Pet Talent Show. Bring your best friends and show us what they can do.
My parrot can sing better than anyone. Yeah. We are definitely going to win the first prize. My goldfish is a great swimmer. Look at him go. He's doing a little dance for us. My chameleon can hide anywhere. He's a master of disguise. Oh, man. Everyone has a cool pet except me. What am I gonna do for the talent show? A bird, a fish, even a chameleon. I have nothing. Wait. What is that tiny thing over there? Whoa. Look at those legs move so fast. Hey there, little guy. You're not scary at all. You want to come home with me? I found him. I finally found my pet. Okay, buddy. We need to figure out your special talent for the show. Are you hungry? Here's a little snack for my champion.
Ha ha ha! A spider that can't talk? How boring!
Ignore them. We'll show them something even better. Who needs talking when you can fly? Hold still, buddy. Almost done. This will be amazing. Look, you're the world's first flying spider. 3, 2, 1, take off! Let's get these silly things off you. I'm sorry, little guy. I just wanted everyone to see how special you are. Hey, come back. Don't be mad at me. Wait, I have one last idea. Nick's fish is popular, right? Maybe you can learn how to swim. My fish is a natural. Your spider is just, wet. Maybe spiders just don't like baths, Tom. I'm so sorry. I almost hurt you again. Please be okay. Please breathe. You're shivering. I'm such a bad friend. I was so busy trying to make you famous that I forgot to be kind. I'm sorry, little buddy. No more training. No more stunts. I like you just the way you are, even if you don't do anything at all. My heart is beating so fast. I hope he's comfortable in there. It's okay, buddy. We don't have to win. We just have to be here. Are you still in there? Just give me a little wave. Oh. I can't really see anything. It's so dark. Sing it, Pippin. Show them your beautiful voice. He practiced all morning for this. Oh, Goldie, go! Did you see that flip? Look, he's disappearing. Can you guys find him? Ah! He's the king of hide and seek.
And now for our final performer. Let's welcome Tom and his special pet.
Hi, everyone. This is my pet spider. Okay, buddy, it's showtime. Don't be shy.
He's gone. Oh no, the box is empty.
He's not here, Miss Sarah. The box is totally empty. Deep breaths, Tom. Let's think. Where could he have gone? I don't see him over here. He's too fast. Don't worry, Tom. We will find him together. Look. I'm so sorry. I should have kept the lid closed tighter. Hey, look at my fish. Goldie is acting really weird. Maybe he's trying to help us search for the spider, too? Stop it, Goldie. You're getting water all over the table. Watch out, Nick. The bowl is starting to wobble. Oh my gosh! He just jumped so high! No! Goldie, stay on the table! Ah! He's bouncing. He's going toward the parrot. Stay back, Pippin. Do not look at that fish. The door is open. Oh no! I forgot to lock it. He's out. The bird is out. Everyone watch out. Pippin, come back here right now. Let him go. That's my best friend, you silly bird. Pippin! Drop it. That is not a snack.
Oh my, he's flying away with the fish. Someone catch them. It's a disaster. Everything is going wrong.
Where did my chameleon go? He was just right here. Look at that. He's changing colors so fast. Go get him, buddy. Save the fish. He jumped. He actually jumped through the air. He's got him. Don't let go, whatever you do. Somebody catch him, please. Buddy, help the fish. You can do it. Look, he's jumping. He's actually jumping. He's making a net. He's weaving it in the air. He's gonna hit the ground. Please, no! He caught him. Look, Nick, he caught the fish.
He's making a slide. He knows what to do.
I'm ready. Slide him down to me. He's sliding. I got him. He's safe in my hands. Yay! Men, you're amazing. Back in the water you go. No more adventures for today. Tom, your spider is a hero. He's the smartest pet in the class. You were amazing today. You proved them all wrong. Ready to show them your last trick? Whoa! Did you see that? He caught a mosquito. He's a professional hunter. No bugs are safe in this room.
I think we all learned a very important lesson today, class.
I learned that I don't need to change my friend to make him special. He's actually really soft. I'm not afraid of spiders anymore.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend with your pets.
That was the best talent show ever. I'm so lucky. Oh, we're home. Did you like your big day at school? Go on, buddy. You deserve some garden time after that big show. I'll be right here if you need me. Look at that. You're making another masterpiece already. You're a real artist, aren't you? Hey, Tom. We brought our pets over. Can we all play together? We want to see the spider hero again. Come on in. He's just started building his new house.
I brought some stickers to decorate his garden.
Look, he's building it so fast. It's like a castle. I told you, he's the best builder in the world. What a perfect day. No more worrying for me. I have the best friends and the best pet ever. Don't ever underestimate a small friend. Because that is my pet. Let's go, everyone. The garden is ours today.